Then on the 5th day of Christmas, Addmie came to me. And I don't know which to pick, crayfish, chicken or classic, to make my bland meal extra sweet. A blend of veggies, protein and seasoning. It's just the final touch I need. Speaking of homes, I cannot wait to come to your home and prepare a delicious meal with Addmie. And you know what? I am going to be bringing lots of gifts. All you need to do is make a video. Don't forget to tag Addmie. Don't forget to tag me. Don't forget to use the hashtag add the final touch to 2023 and hashtag Addmie Christmas recipes. Oh, one more thing. The most creative entry will get a surprise visit from me, courtesy of Addmie. So I'm going to be seeing, and don't forget, you have to be following Addmie.